Welcome to Aftermarket News. Here are the 2025 top manufacturing news highlights from across the industry. Aisin continued its worldwide growth strategy with major U.S. and global expansion initiatives. Brembo advanced its sustainability leadership with new environmental commitments shaping the future of braking. Aumovio officially debuted after spinning off from Continental, strengthening its presence in advanced aftermarket technology. Cummins made progress on the Cummins-Meritor integration, accelerating innovation in power and drivetrain systems. Drive expanded its portfolio with new product categories designed to boost distributor and shop opportunities. EnerSys invested in domestic energy storage solutions, including expansion at its Sumter facility to support market demand. Hankook moved to acquire Hanon, signaling a strategic push in electrification and thermal management. NTN announced a new bearing headquarters in Schaumburg, Illinois, reinforcing its U.S. commitment and customer support. Schaeffler launched volume production of its high-voltage inverter brick, advancing next-gen electrification capabilities. Tenneco increased investment to drive product growth and strengthen support across its performance and aftermarket brands. That wraps up the latest manufacturing stories you can find only on AftermarketNews.com, your source for what drives the aftermarket forward.